Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change name in Air Arabia ticket. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your web browser and visit the Air Arabia website. Now before making any changes, note that Air Arabia allows name changes and name corrections, but the rules depend on your booking status and payment method. So for paid bookings made with a credit or debit card or cash, name changes are generally permitted up to 24 hours before departure, and this is subject to application fees and any fare difference. Now, flights operated by Air Arabia Maroc do not allow name changes. If you only need to correct a spelling mistake or update your surname after marriage, Air Arabia does not provide an online self-service option for these corrections through managed bookings. Instead, you need to head over to Air Arabia Help section, which you have here. Go ahead and click on Help Center and submit a request. So complete the request form with your booking details, including your booking reference, passenger information, and a clear explanation of the correction of the name change you want. Now, if you prefer immediate assistance, that you can contact Air Arabia through its WhatsApp live chat. Here is live chat. You can just go ahead and click on live chat or the contact center. Instead of submitting an online request, you can click on start a conversation and let the person know that you want to change your name, and then a representative will guide you through the process and inform you of any applicable charges. All right, so if your request is approved and a name change fee applies, just complete the required payment. For eligible paid bookings, Air Arabia currently charges AED 350 per passenger for Air Arabia Sharjah and Air Arabia Abu Dhabi flights, and then of course other costs for other places. So after your request has been processed, you receive confirmation from Air Arabia. So just review your updated booking carefully to ensure the passenger's name changes the passport exactly before your travel date. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you're good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.